To help you get familiar with the operation as soon as possible, in this video, we will describe the function of each button on the remote controller. The power button operation on T20 RC is the same with previous generation. Power the RC on by pressing the button once and hold. The RTH button is marked with a letter H. Press it and hold for 3 seconds to activate Return to Home function. When the flight mode switch is pushed to the left or right position, T20 is in P mode, positioning. When in the middle, T20 is in A mode, attitude. Please note that if you need to switch flight modes during flight, you should enable A mode in the app in advance. Otherwise, each position of the switch will be in P mode, positioning by default. Press the back button once to return to the previous page, and press the Confirm button to confirm a selection. The 5D button can be pushed in 5 directions, and it is customizable. In addition, we can also customize the button C3 on the RC. Located on the top of the RC, the spray button can be used to start or stop spraying. At the same time, the spray rate dial can be used to adjust spray rate. Press the FPV map switch on the right to switch between the FPV and map view. Turn the aircraft control switch dial to adjust operation efficiency. There are 3 ports at the center of the top, which are HDMI port, micro SD card slot, and USB Type-A port from left to right. The T20 remote controller uses brand new foldable antennas, which should be unfolded like this during operation. The buttons C1 and C2 hidden under the antennas are customizable. Battery compartment is located in the middle of the back for mounting an external intelligent battery, which is used with the battery release button to mount or detach. Last but not least, when charging the RC via the USB Type-C port, please use the Authentic Charger. For shortcut keys, if we hold FN button and spray button simultaneously, screen will begin to record video. If we hold FN button and FPV map switch button simultaneously, screenshot will be got. That's all for button description of the T20 remote controller. Thank you for watching.